ask you a question?
Yes, ask me.
Why are you taking it?
Huh?
Why are you taking it?
No, I do YouTube videos, so when I do something like this, I put on YouTube. That's why I didn't even take it, because I didn't ask you. Is it okay if I use the clip? Is it okay if I use the clip? Okay. It was gonna bring more customers to you, but it's fine. It's a freezing cold morning here in Nairobi, and I'm freezing right now. You know, I forgot to bring my jacket or warm clothes today, and I'm in the CBD. It's around 10 in the morning. Right now, I just want to clean my shoes. And if you're watching me from far, tell me where you're watching me from. Is it cold wherever you are? So I just want to clean my shoes right now because they're very dirty. So I just want to look at this place if they have any place where I can clean my shoes. I just spotted one place where I can clean my shoes. Right there. So these guys usually clean shoes for I think $1 or less, and it's always very cheap, you know. My child is trying to beg me for food. I don't have money right now to give away. I'm on a budget trip. Anyway, sorry guys if I maybe disappointed you. Can you help me clean the shoe? Yeah, I want to clean the shoe. How much? So guys, it's costing 50 shillings to clean my shoe. First time doing this inside Nairobi. So I think guys have cold. So if you can get me with a cold, and just understand me. It's because of the cold in Nairobi. It's very cold, then I got some cold. Is that right, English?
Are you reading? Nairobi kila mtu wameenda karibu wote, nasikia magari kama.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, ask me.
Why are you taking it?
Huh?
Why are you taking it?
No, I do YouTube videos, so when I do something like this, I put on YouTube. That's why I didn't even take it, because I didn't ask you. I do work on YouTube. Hope I answered your question. Is it okay if I use the clip? Is it okay if I use the clip? Okay. It was gonna bring more customers to you, but it's fine. It was gonna bring more customers for you, but it's fine. I'm not gonna use it.
But you have already used it, isn't it?
No, I'm just asking because I've not yet put it. Yeah, so I was just asking.
Before you take that photo, the first person you can ask me, but you have already taken it, so don't mind.
Huh?
Don't mind.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. But thank you. That looks good.
Okay, thank you too.